This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine a world where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur, where the technology we once only dreamed of is now at our fingertips. This is the world we are stepping into, and it's all thanks to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is set to flip the job market on its head. Picture this. In offices around the globe, business meetings are no longer just human to human. Robots and AI systems are becoming integral parts of the workforce, collaborating with humans in ways we never thought possible. The job market is undergoing a seismic shift, and it's happening right before our eyes. Are you prepared? Artificial intelligence is not just sci-fi anymore. It's here, and it's shaking things up. In these futuristic offices, AI tools are seamlessly integrated into daily operations, making tasks more efficient and opening up new possibilities. The technology that once seemed like a distant dream is now a tangible reality, transforming the way we work and live. With ChatGPT leading the charge, many of our daily tasks could soon be automated, boosting productivity like never before. But here's the kicker. This surge in productivity comes with its own set of challenges. As machines take over repetitive tasks, we are left to ponder the future of human labor. Will we find new roles that leverage our unique human skills? Or will we struggle to keep up with the pace of technological change? Will this revolution make our lives easier or widen the gap between the tech-savvy and everyone else? The digital divide is a real concern. As technology advances, those who are adept at using it will find themselves at a significant advantage, while those who are not may be left behind. It's a critical issue that we must address to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. It's up to us to shape this future. We have the power to influence how AI is developed and implemented. By fostering inclusive discussions and encouraging diverse perspectives, we can create a future where technology serves the greater good. It's a collective effort that requires input from all sectors of society. Imagine AI tools empowering not just the tech elite, but everyone. In various industries, from healthcare to education, AI has the potential to democratize access to information and resources. By making these tools accessible to all, we can empower individuals from all walks of life to harness the power of technology and improve their lives. From enhancing skills to creating new job opportunities, the possibilities are endless. Online learning platforms are already offering courses that teach people how to work with AI, opening up new career paths and opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, new job roles will emerge, requiring a workforce that is adaptable and willing to learn. So, as AI continues to evolve, let's make sure it benefits everyone. The evolution of AI is a journey, and we are all part of it. By promoting collaboration and inclusivity, we can ensure that the advancements in AI lead to a more equitable and prosperous future for all. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's shape a future where AI works for all of us. The journey is just beginning, and there is so much more to discover. By staying informed and curious, we can actively participate in shaping the future of AI. Let's work together to create a world where technology enhances our lives and brings us closer together. In healthcare, ChatGPT is revolutionizing patient care. AI tools are now assisting doctors in diagnosing conditions more accurately and swiftly. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect early signs of diseases, like cancer, potentially saving countless lives. Patients are also benefiting from AI-driven chatbots that provide instant medical advice and support, making healthcare more accessible. Education is another sector experiencing a transformation. AI-powered platforms are personalizing learning experiences for students, catering to their individual needs and learning styles. For example, tools like Khan Academy and Duolingo use AI to adapt lessons in real time, ensuring that students grasp concepts at their own pace. This personalized approach is helping to bridge educational gaps and improve outcomes for learners worldwide. The retail industry is also being reshaped by AI. Retailers are using AI to enhance customer experiences through personalized recommendations and automated checkout systems. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are leveraging AI to optimize inventory management and streamline supply chains, resulting in more efficient operations and better customer satisfaction. In finance, AI is driving innovation in areas such as fraud detection, risk management, and automated trading. Financial institutions are employing AI to analyze vast amounts of data and predict market trends, enabling more informed investment decisions. AI-powered chatbots are also providing customers with personalized financial advice, making financial services more accessible and user-friendly. Manufacturing is witnessing a revolution with AI-driven automation. Factories are integrating AI to optimize production lines, reduce waste, and improve quality control. Robots are working alongside human workers, taking on repetitive tasks and allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. This collaboration is leading to increased efficiency and innovation in the manufacturing sector. Real-world examples abound. Take the case of IBM's Watson, which has been used in various industries to solve complex problems. In healthcare, Watson has assisted in diagnosing rare diseases, while in finance, it has helped banks detect fraudulent activities. Another example is Google's DeepMind, which has made significant strides in energy efficiency by optimizing data center operations, resulting in substantial cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Looking ahead, the potential impacts of AI are vast. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments, from autonomous vehicles revolutionizing transportation to AI-driven research accelerating scientific discoveries. The future holds endless possibilities. However, it is crucial for society to adapt to these changes and ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably. Collaboration and inclusivity will be key to navigating this AI-driven future. By bringing together diverse teams and perspectives, we can develop AI solutions that address the needs of all communities. Inclusive AI development will help mitigate biases and ensure that technology serves the greater good. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's shape a future where AI works for all of us. The journey is just beginning, and there is so much more to discover. By staying informed and curious, we can actively participate in shaping the future of AI. Let's work together to create a world where technology enhances our lives and brings us closer together. Agriculture is also seeing the benefits of AI. Smart farming technologies are helping farmers optimize crop yields, monitor soil health, and manage resources more efficiently. AI-driven tools are providing farmers with real-time data and insights, enabling them to make informed decisions and improve productivity. This technological revolution is transforming agriculture and ensuring food security for the future. The transportation sector is on the brink of a major transformation with AI. Autonomous vehicles are becoming a reality, promising safer and more efficient travel. AI-powered traffic management systems are optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and minimizing emissions. These advancements are set to revolutionize the way we move and commute, making transportation more sustainable and accessible. Entertainment is another area where AI is making waves. AI algorithms are personalizing content recommendations, ensuring that viewers find shows and movies that match their preferences. Virtual reality experiences are becoming more immersive and interactive, thanks to AI-driven technologies. This is creating new opportunities for storytelling and entertainment, enhancing the way we consume media. AI is also playing a crucial role in environmental conservation. AI-powered tools are monitoring ecosystems, tracking wildlife populations, and predicting the impacts of climate change. These technologies are providing valuable data that can inform conservation efforts and help protect our planet. By leveraging AI, we can work towards a more sustainable and resilient future. Public safety is being enhanced by AI as well. AI systems are being used to predict and prevent crimes, improving law enforcement and community safety. Emergency response systems are becoming more efficient, with AI helping to coordinate resources and provide real-time information during crises. These advancements are making our communities safer and more secure. Space exploration is another frontier where AI is making significant contributions. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of space data, helping scientists make new discoveries. Autonomous space missions are becoming more feasible, with AI enabling spacecraft to navigate and make decisions independently. This is opening up new possibilities for exploring the universe and expanding our understanding of space. The creative arts are also being transformed by AI. AI-generated art is pushing the boundaries of creativity, with algorithms creating unique and innovative pieces. Musicians are using AI tools to compose music, experiment with new sounds, and enhance their creative process. This fusion of technology and art is leading to exciting new forms of expression and creativity. Sports are benefiting from AI as well. AI-driven performance analysis is helping athletes optimize their training and improve their performance. AI tools are also being used to prevent injuries by analyzing movement patterns and identifying potential risks. These advancements are enhancing the world of sports, making it safer and more competitive. Urban planning is being revolutionized by AI. Smart city technologies are using AI to optimize infrastructure, manage resources, and improve the quality of life for residents. AI-driven urban planning is promoting sustainable development, ensuring that cities are more livable and resilient. This is paving the way for the cities of the future, where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Customer service is being enhanced by AI as well. AI chatbots are providing instant support and personalized experiences for customers. These AI-driven tools are improving customer satisfaction and streamlining service operations. By leveraging AI, businesses can provide better and more efficient customer service. Cybersecurity is another area where AI is making a significant impact. AI systems are being used to detect and prevent cyber threats, protecting sensitive data, and ensuring the security of digital infrastructure. These advancements are crucial in an increasingly digital world, where cybersecurity is more important than ever. Research is being accelerated by AI as well. AI tools are helping scientists analyze data, identify patterns, and make new discoveries. Collaborative research projects are leveraging AI to tackle complex problems and advance knowledge in various fields. This is leading to faster and more impactful scientific breakthroughs. AI is also being used for social good. AI-driven technologies are supporting humanitarian efforts, providing aid and resources to those in need. These tools are making a positive impact on society, helping to address global challenges and improve lives. By harnessing the power of AI, we can work towards a better and more equitable world. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's shape a future where AI works for all of us. The journey is just beginning, and there is so much more to discover. By staying informed and curious, we can actively participate in shaping the future of AI. Let's work together to create a world where technology enhances our lives and brings us closer together.